Guys, I have just a quick video for you today. Basically what it is just me doing some troubleshooting a while back. I'm finally just now getting around to editing the video. And basically what we're doing is trying to troubleshoot where we have some devices that have gone offline, and the Bus Health Index is a useful tool within Metasys that will help you basically to let you know if you're headed in the right direction, trying to find a device that's offline. Some things that I want to throw out there to you if you do have communication issues on a BACnet trunk, particularly if you have a Johnson Controls, basically a dominated system. Start with the third-party devices, because there can be issues with those, particularly if you have VFDs. Not to say that that's always the cause, but basically that's one of the more common ones, particularly with VFDs, what we see. Unhook them first from the network, see what it does to that bus health indication number. If that number is real high, you want it to go down, and I'll show you in the video exactly where you can find that. You want an optimal number of 0, and as that number goes up, that means there is interference and there are issues on your network. You can have a bad device, bad wiring, and start troubleshooting from there. If you have an entire network down, just a few little troubleshooting tips. Basically, you may have to split the network. If you go to some of those third-party devices, if there are issues, then you may need to start there. Unhook those third-party devices. If there's been recent work, also start there. Go back to the place of last where something was touched. Just basic troubleshooting stuff, guys. But anyways, just a quick video that we're going to show you on the Bus Health Index within Metasys MUI.
Quick video for you guys. We have an issue with the trunk on this particular unit. In fact, the whole trunk was offline. And I just want to show you how you can use the diagnostics tool for that. What you've got here, if you're looking at the trunk itself, look at your diagnostics tab, and you see that number there. What you want on that Bus Health Index, you want that to be as close to 0 as possible. This thing was up at like 4,000 a while ago until I did one little thing. And what that was, just walk over and show you. I've disconnected this VFD from the trunk. Okay, I've just got it capped off for right now. Something about this VFD is contributing to the network issue. I literally shut power off. It started dropping immediately, so I've got it disconnected here. But there's definitely an issue in this drive that is causing an issue with the trunk. Bus Health Index is a good little troubleshooting tool to be able to make your job a little bit easier.
So basically what the Bus Health Index does is it just tells you the reliability of the network. If you get a device that is on your network that starts having an issue, that number is going to go up. You want it at 0. That is optimum and as close to 0 as possible. And as that number goes up, what is going to end up happening is you're going to start having devices toggle offline, which is exactly what happened in this situation. And I'm basically just done a quick video, wanted to show you this little feature. So if you are having issues with your network communication, check the Bus Health Index and see what the value is on that. And if it's above 0, especially if it's a large number, you have a device or a wiring issue that is dragging the network down. But guys, this is just a quick video that I wanted to do. Like and share the video. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Check out all the links down below. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me any questions down below, and we'll see you next time.